Okay, so currently it is 12:33 at night, and I have work tomorrow, but I just saw HLJJ's shout out to me. I know I didn't see it in time. I'm sorry, but shout out back to HLJJ. Thank you, man. It really brings some joy to me to see you shouting me out. And like I said in your comment section, it was my birthday, November the 20th, and the reason I really haven't been putting out a video here lately is because I just haven't had anything to put out over content. But I think soon I will be replacing a water pump on a 2003 Chevy Trailblazer. And that should be the content that I put out here in possibly, if not the next few weeks, within this next month, I will have it out. But right now I'm gonna take myself to sleep because I am really tired and my throat is treating me like crap. So I just wanted to shout you out, HLJJ. Thank you.